Hey everybody, happy Friday. We made it to another weekend. Y'all know what we do around here on Fridays? We save in our large and in charge of our money. It's our money. Make it work for you. I make mine work for me. It ain't in charge of me. I'm in charge of it. And we work on a year's worth of tinies. They make me so happy. I just love working on these tinies. And last but not least, it's our rainy day funds. Now, I don't have a fancy little dashboard for it. These are my little dashboards that I made. These are free on my Ko-Fi shop. When you get yours, they come in an A6 size and an A5 together. And when you get yours, this right here will be blank. And you write down what you want each one to go for. I have Thanksgiving, Christmas, church dinners. Y'all, because my church will eat at the drop of the hat if they have to drop the hat themselves. The whatever. Everybody needs a whatever fund. Eating out. And shopping. I love shopping. No, I don't. I take that back. That was a lie. I don't like shopping. I hate shopping. There's days I'd about rather take a beating. Okay, now, before we get to all that, y'all, I drug my sewing machine out again. Look, I'm about to get the hang of this slipcovers thing, y'all. I made me 2 more. I think this one's my favorite. But look, y'all, I got the little seams all sewed, and I just love the way it turned out. Now, y'all don't look at the color of the binder because it don't match, but it's what I got. And it got the little covers on the inside, and then you got the elastic strap on the back. Flip it over, and it closes the front. And then here's one for Thanksgiving, and it's the same way. You just take the elastic off, open it up. Oh wait, this one's already got, this has got my roll and save and extra savings cards. Fall is coming down the road book in it. But I just think it turned out so cute, and I love it. But anyway, see, that's little Miss Jo over at CBA Mom Saves. That's her fault, y'all. I drug my sewing machine out because I saw her make her slip covers that she gave some away here not too long ago. And I thought, ooh, I could do that. And then I wouldn't have to order me no more binders. I just make a bunch of different kind of slip covers, and voila, I'm good. So, and I also have the town where I grew up in when I was young. Y'all, this is going to be a little bit longer video, but that's all right. My mother, the bank where my mom and dad banked at, had what you called a Christmas Club account. And you could start saving in December through November of the following year. And then in November, they would send you a check through the mail for whatever you had saved up into your Christmas Club account. Look, y'all. I made a Christmas Club Express saving for 2026. Isn't that cute? But here are the deposit slips. I think that turned out so cute. You got your date up here that you can write, the amount you're going to put deposit, then you can write it out if you want to. You got a little memo section down here. And this page right here, you can print out as many times as you need for the year. When you go to print it, whatever page this is, if it's page 1, just click print page 1 X amount of times. And then I did write on here for the front cover and back cover. So we have that. And then I made me a little book of faith. And I think this turned out so darling. This one says, "Be ye strong, therefore, and let not your hands be weak, for your work shall be rewarded." 2 Chronicles 15:7. I think this one's my favorite. "Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies." Look at that cat with them mice. Y'all, is that just too cute or what? But anyways, there's 16 of these little faith cards in here. And the numbers on them are 1, 2, and 3. And being that there are 16, that's $6 a page. So you will save $96 when you're done. This is on my Ko-Fi shop. It's only $5. It is a downloadable. I don't mail anything out. This one, I think I put this one up there for $3. Okay, but there's enough shop talk. Are y'all ready to help me save? Let's get down here and let's get busy. I should have. All right, we got our rainy day funds. We got our dice tower. So we're going to see who gets what today. We got our 6-sided dice. So here we go. Number 4. Number 5. Number 3. Number 6. Y'all, I'm cheating. I'm putting one in 2 and the other one. They're going to all get one today. I hope y'all don't mind me cheating, but I won't spread the love. Alrighty, today is the 3rd October. Man, can y'all believe it's already October? So this one has now got $9 in it for Thanksgiving. I'm going to have to beef this one up a little bit. Alrighty. Number 2 is Christmas. It got $1. Last week didn't get nothing. So now it's up to $8. Church dinners. Adding $1, it's up to $7. Gonna take a lot more than that to feed this bunch. Number 4 is the Whatever Fund. It's up to $6. Dun, 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 dun. Get in there. Y'all have trouble with these envelopes sometimes. Whew, it just about makes me want to pull my hair out, but I don't got enough. All right, number 5 got $1, so it's up to $8. Dun, dun, dun. And last but not least, number 6, shopping. We ain't gonna do much shopping on $4, y'all. Okay, that's got all those done now. So there we have it. If you're saving with me on the rainy day funds, every envelope got $1. So we're going to set that one aside. Now we're going to work on our year's worth of tinies from Miss Lisa over at Lisa Grateful Me. This month I'm going to be working on the honeybees. And we need a marker. We're going to use this pretty yellow one. I bring $12 a week. There are 12 pictures on here. Each one has 4 little circles. I do them for $1 a piece. That makes $48 for the month. And I do 3 blocks a week. That way I can finish it in a month. So there's my 12. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Alrighty, we got that one done. So we're going to put our $12. Isn't this envelope just too cute? Look at that. That's the front. And there's the back. I love it. All right. So we got to put this back in here. And put this back in here. Just like so. All right, now we're going to set that one aside. Now then, we have got our large and in charge. And these are all, other than this one, Miss Lisa Grateful Me. This one is from Miss Lady Die. All righty, we got our talking dice. We got $50. So here we go.
Look, you have to try more, because now you have a 4.
If I get a 5 or a 6, it's dealer's choice.
You've got the number 3.
3.
Thanks a ton. You got the number 1.
1.
You've got the number 4.
4.
You've got the number 6.
We're putting it on 2. 3.
Okay. Your number is 2.
2.
Let me read this number. 1. Wow. Look at this. Number 4.
Number 4 is being the money hog.
You've got the number 1.
1.
Wow. Look at this. Number 4.
Are you serious? Come on, dude.
And your number is 4.
What are you stuck on that number? You don't know how to count? What? I mean, I don't get it.
And your number is 1.
Come on, 2 and 3.
Oops. You got a number 2.
There you go. 3.
You've got the number 4.
Oh, come on, 3.
You've got the number 2.
Are you kidding me? 3.
Let's have some fun.
No.
You have number 1.
3.
You've got the number 5.
3. I don't have a 5.
And your number is 3.
There you go.
And your number is 4.
Oh, 4's killing it
Your
today.
lucky number is 2. And your number is 5.
3.
You've got the number 5.
3.
2.
2.
Oh, I'm sorry, dear.
Well, you should be.
You've got the number 1.
1. And we're putting the last 2 in number 3 because this one has been going for a while and I'm trying to get it finished. And I still owe quite a bit on it. Well, not actually owe, but still got a little bit to go. So this one is from Miss Lady Di over at Lady Di Saves. This is her Tiger Challenge. And it got today 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's the 10 spot. 11, 12, 13, 14. So that will do the last roll and save. For 4. And we're going to do the 10 spot. So now we're just down to 5s. There we go. 10, 20, 30. So we still got $35 more to go. And we have saved so far 100, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, $174 so far. Alrighty, so there's that one. Next up is Miss Lisa Grateful Me. This is one of her Halloween challenges. Y'all, I picked this one to do. I don't normally do Halloween, but I picked this one. Y'all, look at that little Basset. Is he too cute or what? Oh, I would love to have a Basset hound dog, but they shed too bad. All right, so these are $2 each, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. All right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So in this one, we now have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Alrighty, set that one aside. Next up is Miss Lisa Grateful Me's little honey bear. Isn't he cute? I like these because you got your little numbers. They go from 1 to 7 in each one of these little honeycombs. So we're working on this first one. It got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we almost finished this one today. There's 5, 9, and 10. Y'all, I might cheat and get me $2 more out of the petty cash and finish this one. I think I'm going to. Y'all bear with me for just a minute, because I want to finish that one. All right, there's $2 more. So we can finish this one and have the first one did. All right. So now in this one, each one of these little squares is going to save us 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, $28 for each one of these little squares. And there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them. So that's going to be a nice little savings. All right, last but not least, this is Lisa's medical fund from Lisa Grateful Me. This is her medical fund. She does have a video that if you go and watch it, I don't remember which one it is. It was the one where she wanted to get like 1,000 views or something on it. If you watch that video all the way through to the end and then go to leave her a thumbs up and a comment and then go over to her Ko-Fi shop and you can get these. Alrighty. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So each one of these little rows is 1, 2, and 3. Those are the increments. So there's 6. So I got the first block done. This row makes 12. What did I say? 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alrighty. We're going to get a different color out. And color in this too. I don't like these little markers. I don't like that fine point. All right, there's $14 going into here. So each one of these little squares will save you $18. So we now have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, $26. 18, 20, $26. All right, that's got all of those done. Now, if you haven't checked out Lisa Grateful Me's channel, and I find that hard to believe that there would be someone out there who hadn't checked out her channel yet, I will leave her link in the description box below, as well as Lady Di. I will leave hers down below. Give these ladies a check out. Go watch their videos. Check out their Etsy shops and their Ko-Fi shops, and tell them Mary Love sent you. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that little subscribe word down there, because it won't cost you nothing. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit that little button. I know you want to. Look, I'm going to hit it for you. I know it's around here. I'm going to help y'all out. But with that, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. May God richly bless you and keep you safe. But until we meet again, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Bye now.